it got changed drastically. Now the current trend is AI. Okay, so every company is looking for AI, AI engineer, ML ops engineer, they are AI architect, right? So that is what.
वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट सर. स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं चाहूँगा आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए ताकि ऑडियंस को समझ में आए. आपने क्लाउड टेक्नोलॉजी में कैसे इंटरेस्ट आया, तो आप एक बार आपके करियर की तरफ लेके चलिए एक बार.
Thank you. So basically, I started my journey with the software developer on Lotus and Domino platform. So मैंने as a software engineer करके मैंने मेरा जर्नी स्टार्ट किया. आई वर्क ऑन द लोटस डोमिनो प्लेटफॉर्म जो IBM का प्रोडक्ट था. अभी HCL ने टेक ओवर किया हो, मीन्स काफ़ी टाइम हुआ उसको भी. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई वर्क इन टू द डिफरेंट कंपनीज. ओके, then into what can I say, technology or non-technical skills, technical skills as well as non-technical skills. So like then after that I moved into IT service management. then उसमें मैंने change program मैनेजमेंट में काम किया, IT सर्विस मैनेजमेंट में काम किया. then after that again around 2016-17 around I entered into cloud. So cloud at that time actually it was launched in 2006. Okay, but तभी इतना मिस कंपनीज को भी ज़्यादा ही नहीं था, मिस आइडिया नहीं था. तो मे बी 2014-13 से companies getting come to know that cloud is there. So the first is AWS cloud, Amazon Web Services. Then I picked that as a domain. Okay, and I started to learning, upskilling in that domain as a AWS cloud engineer करके मैंने किया था. Then I joined a lot of trainings online, offline. Then I did a certification also in that. Then I got opportunity to work in the AWS cloud company basically, where other companies are using this cloud technology. Okay. Then I entered into the cloud technology actually. I started my journey started around 2017 in the cloud journey.
Okay.
So it's around we can say about 8 years of experience in the cloud, 7 to 8 years of experience in the AWS cloud. So that was my journey started basically.
Okay.
So basically क्या है ना कि you have to upskill at the moment. The companies are looking something different skill set. Okay, if you go back around 15 years back, 10 years back, okay, there were only one skill set where person used to work like Linux engineer or Linux administrator, Windows administrator, storage administrator. वैसा था. बट अभी कंपनी इज लुकिंग फॉर मल्टी स्किल पीपल. ओके, सो ये सब तो आना चाहिए. बेसिक फंडामेंटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पूरा आना चाहिए. नेटवर्किंग, सिक्योरिटी, ओके, सर्वर, स्टोरेज, डेटाबेस, ये तो आना चाहिए. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट कंपनी आर लुकिंग फॉर लाइक पाइथन, डेवऑप्स, ओके, द मशीन लर्निंग, डाटा इंजीनियर्स, एवरीथिंग मीन्स. सो दिस वे हाउ द IT industry evolves. Okay, it got changed drastically. Now the current trend is AI. Okay, so every company is looking for AI, AI engineer, ML ops engineer, they are AI architect, right? So that is what company is looking for, because definitely the market IT industry is getting changed. The customers are demanding that, like that, the services, right, with AI powered.
Yes.
So that is what we should be able to provide services, okay, to the customer with the AI power. So now the next generation, we can say that, or going forward, whatever generation is coming up, they should well versed with the AI.
Okay. So now ऐसा है कि we can't rely on one skill. We have to adapt multiple skills.
Correct. That is what current trend is going on.
Okay.
पहला वैसा था कि only one skill. Okay, तुमको विंडोज आता था, okay, come in. लेके
What is the basically difference between 15 years back IT industry and current IT industry?
lot of changes. So completely changes. तो पहले क्या था, पहले सिर्फ one person used to work on the one technology. Okay, either Windows operating system or Linux or storage or database.
Okay.
All admins, or engineers, you can say that.
Okay.
Okay, system engineers.
Yes.
Now, if you see the now current industries, all physical servers migrated into cloud. Okay, now it becomes serverless containers. Okay, that is the thing. Earlier, if you think, quarterly deployment hota tha. Okay, now it's CI/CD pipeline. Okay, right? Now earlier it was silos team, means एक ही टीम अलग से काम करते थे. डेवलपमेंट टीम अलग था, टेस्टिंग टीम अलग था, ऑपरेशन टीम अलग था. अभी now DevOps culture. So DevOps, development plus operations.
Okay.
So this is the what changes done tremendously in the IT industry.
Okay. Now currently IT company needs superhuman. He knows everything.
Correct. So that is what company is looking for, a multi-skill profile basically. See, not only just fundamental infrastructure, along with that you should know some bit of programming language like Python, Java, okay, database, something like that. Now if you want to go for the data engineering stream, so you should know good in the database. Okay, so that will be very easy path to enter in that door.
Okay. If someone is starting his career in cloud technology, what should be his mindset? अभी करंट जनरेशन और करंट एरा में उसका माइंडसेट कैसा होना चाहिए कि वो उसने अभी कैसे पूरा पाथ रेडी करना चाहिए अभी?
Correct. So fundamental is same. That is universal. You should know servers, storage, database, security. Okay. So that is there. Database, everything is there. Okay. That is universal concept.
Okay.
Now, if you want to enter into the cloud or in the IT, so definitely with the latest skill set, or you can say that on the niche, you can say technology. Okay. So example, if you are entering the cloud, AWS cloud, so first you go for the basic certification, AWS certified cloud practitioner.
Okay.
So that you will get an overall idea about what is the AWS cloud.
Okay.
Then you can start entering this cloud, do the hands-on labs. Okay.
Okay.
You should skill up. You can upskill your training. Okay.
Okay.
So that there are a lot of resources are available to learn this. So this way you can enter in the cloud technologies.
Okay. So basically, what is the difference between AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud? This is one of the most common question beginners ask. What is the difference between these three?
Yeah, see, AWS is the most matured, okay, because as I said, it's in 2006 it got launched, okay, in the IT world, okay, as a cloud. And then AWS, Amazon was in the book selling company in the US, right? All their book selling.
Yes.
You might be knowing, right?
Yeah.
Now after that, they have decided to enter in the cloud. So they have decided to, why not we can give our cloud platform on the rental basis. Okay.
Okay.
So at that time they have started into the cloud technology. Okay. So that is more mature now, not more mature. And if you think about the Microsoft Azure, it's a more we can say fit for the Microsoft technologies like .NET framework,
Okay.
.NET Core, ASP.NET, SQL Server. So this technology is very good fit for the Microsoft, because again, if you think about the licensing for the SQL Server, so you can easily migrate those workloads in the Microsoft Azure because unka hi license hai, right?
Okay.
And Azure is basically mainly, if you know like data, machine learning, Kubernetes, that is a container, because Kubernetes again that is they have invented Google. So this way, these are the differences.
Okay.
So again fundamentally is the same. It's a universe. At the end of the day, you have to know what is the security, what is the server, what is storage, what is the database.
Okay.
Okay, what is all these things, networking.
Okay.
So you should know all these things.
So what are their requirements? मतलब उनके जिस हिसाब से requirements है उस हिसाब से अलग-अलग ये बैठते हैं.
But fundamentally same.
अच्छा,
Concepts are
fundamental
same in all in all cloud.
Okay. But
some features are there. If you think about like Maruti car
yes.
and BMW, there is some difference, right?
Yes.
Mercedes Benz.
Yes.
Right. So these are the differences basically.
Okay, understand. And I have seen your profile. You have lead global teams. What do you think? What are the most best qualities which which helped you to lead the global teams in your career journey?
So global teams, yeah, definitely, basically what we can think, the how to manage a team, that is one of the very tricky things. Okay,
Yes.
so definitely you have to, what can I say? You have to share the knowledge. Okay, you have to monitor, you have to mentor them to the team basically. You have to unblock where they are blocking. Okay, that is very important. So see, people will grow when they will, work freely, right? So that's why whatever they have an obstacle, you have to catch up. And you have to solve those obstacles. So that is a very, very important to manage the team. Okay, so maybe because everyone doesn't know anything, right?
Yes.
So no one is prepared in the world,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So whatever you have to guide them so that they can take ahead that path in the career journey.
Okay.
So that is the way to manage the team
Okay,
basically.
so managing team is the one of the best qualities.
Yeah, and also you should celebrate their success. If they have achieved something, they learned something new, they cracked some problems or some critical solutions they built or implemented, right? So you should appreciate to the team so that they can motivate to work ahead.
Okay. Do you have any experience for this? Like, if you have any candidate who was in your team and you motivated him and he done exceptionally very good job in his.
Yeah, definitely. So recently, in my project also, I was leading around 6 team members who are like freshers, you can say, freshers to 2 to 3 years of experience.
Okay.
So there means those team members, some team members, few of the team members were good in Java, good in Python. So they learn. Okay, see, so technology is the one. Okay, so you can learn easily. Okay, but mindset should be ready. The what should be mindset? You should adopt. Okay, तो हाँ क्या बोलते हैं उसको? You can learn. वो चाह चाहिए, right? Okay, that should be in your heart.
Yeah.
I want to learn something new. Okay.
सीखने की इच्छा
Yeah, yes. सीखने की इच्छा है, right? So that's very important. So that I shared my knowledge, experience to the team. Okay. नहीं ऐसा किया, so you can also do that. Okay.
Okay.
So nothing to worry. Now lot of resources are available on the internet. YouTube is available for the reference. If you don't know anything, so you can refer to the YouTube. Also documentations of all the cloud service provider. Everything is available. So you can get the things. So this way, and also you can what you can say, share your failures. That is very, very important. That is very, very important, right? Failure, success or say nothing, there will be no value.
Yes.
But what you failed, how did you overcome that failure? So that is important. So you have to enable this kind of knowledge sharing to the team.
Okay.
So that is the thing. So that is very important because I started also my career journey very with the low salary. Okay, but finally I upgraded myself to the latest skill set. Okay, so that is what good for me, that I'm with the current market trend.
Okay.
In that industry.
As you mentioned, you have upgraded yourself. What are the certifications which helped you to shape your career?
Yeah, so definitely like in the cloud, AWS Cloud Solution Architect, Cloud Practitioner, Cloud Solution Architect Professional Associate. Okay, these are the things. So these certifications are matter for me as architecture.
Okay.
We can say architecture technology.
Okay. Actually, like these certifications actually helps in project and everything, right?
Correct. And now the thing is that every company, rather every organization is asking for the global certification.
Yes.
Okay, because why? Because customer want that certified professionals. That is very important. Because so that customer can gain the confidence. Yes, they have this certified people or professionals, so that we can have a easily what can I say, give the solutions, okay,
Yes, okay.
to the
Problem solving skills will be better there.
yeah, to the customers environment. So that
Okay.
is a very important basically.
How you are looking the cloud after 5 years? मतलब क्लाउड इंडस्ट्री और एआई इंडस्ट्री जो है आज से 5 साल के बाद वो कैसा दिख रहा है आपको?
Definitely. So cloud will be there because if you see in 2006 it was launched, still is running.
Yes.
We can see almost more than 10 years, right? So that is there. 20 years we can see, you can think of, right? So definitely cloud will be there because now lot of requirements for the cloud professionals in the across IT industry, okay?
Okay.
Not only just IT industry but other sectors like automobile you can say, or you can say healthcare industry.
Okay.
So in that aerospace also. So in this sector also there are a lot of demands. So on the cloud definitely AI is you should use the cloud native services like Amazon Q, okay, Amazon Q, you can say development life cycle, okay. So that is a new feature introduced by AWS, okay. And we can think of other AWS services like SageMaker, Bedrock, okay. So these services can be leveraged on the AWS cloud or any cloud. So this is one cloud, but you can think of Gemini is there, right, in the Google.
Yes.
So Copilot on the Microsoft Azure, so that you can leverage. GitHub Copilot is also there. So AI is basically it will replace the manual task.
Okay.
Okay, so AI is your assistant basically. So you should know how you can leverage with the AI solution. So in your work, so that it could be very faster, cheaper, easier way.
Okay.
Okay, to finish your task within the timeline.
Okay.
So that is the cloud and AI is there. So definitely in the future AI market is very, very hot cake.
Okay.
You can say. So a lot of requirements on the AI, AI ML engineer. We can think of AI architects there. Okay. So definitely if you cope up with this current time,
Yes.
with this skill set,
Yes.
so definitely there is a good future, bright future for all the people basically.
Okay.
Not only just freshers,
Freshers.
but existing professionals also.
Okay.
So that is
You are
very,
already
very
working in this industry.
correct.
This
So
will be
yeah,
helpful till then
you can
also.
leverage your AI
Yes.
technology in your work.
Okay.
Okay, AI may replace you, may not replace you. The future tell, but if you align with the AI or you partner with the AI, so you will be in good shape.
Okay. So people are asking like AI job खा जाएगा ये वो.
No.
So what is the exactly meaning of AI job खा जाएगा? AI किसकी job खाने वाला?
Correct. Yeah. So basically, I have gone on the internet. Recently, on the internet, I saw that 300 million jobs would be there across the globe, will be replaced by AI. Okay. And also, like Google CEO also said, all CEOs replaced by AI, right? And the recent EY data, they have announced in the next 5 years by 2030, around 38 million jobs in the India.
In the India only?
Yeah, across all the sectors, not in IT,
Okay.
but across all the sectors will be replaced by AI.
Okay.
So you have to align with you have to partner with the AI. Okay. What will happen that no one knows, right, at the moment, but you have to upskill yourself with the AI so to survive in the IT industry or any industry.
Okay. So those who are not upgrading themselves, they might lose their job because of
Definitely,
in next 5 years.
In the next 5, that is what market says.
Okay. So currently AI in which area? Like it is matured or pre-matured, or it is currently in training phase?
It's in the currently AI is we can say adoption phase. We can say that. So that yes, AI powered is there. You can say AI agent is there where it will do your automation task, whatever you're doing manually. Okay,
Yes.
so that is there.
Yes.
Agentic AI is there. Generative AI is there. Okay, so that it will help you to solve your solution problems. Okay, to in your coding. Okay,
Yes.
it will help you to fix the problem or fix the bug.
Okay.
So in that way, you can use that. You can leverage the AI.
AI.
So AI is definitely in the next 5 years definitely it will be in the full mature shape.
Okay.
Yeah. So definitely that is what market is going on.
Okay. So those who are preparing for next job and everything, they should also command with the AI and
Correct.
everything.
Yeah. So
They should know how agentic AI works and what is generative AI is.
correct. So that is very important
So
along with the latest skill set.
okay.
If you think or if you see 10 to 15 years back, you might not have heard about FinOps or modern platform engineering
Yes.
or cloud security or cyber security. Now everything is there. So these are the niche roles
Okay.
or profiles are on the way. So it's already there. So
Okay.
you can grab it.
Okay. So you are using it. You are using AI. How it helped you
Yeah.
to the daily basis on a daily basis? How it helped you?
Yeah. So in my recent project, I use the AI, Microsoft Copilot and GitHub Copilot. So that one of the solution I deployed in the AWS cloud. So that helped me a lot for the deployment because without any idea about the solution, so we took the help of with my team. Okay, so I was managing the 6 to 7 team members. So with this GitHub Copilot helped us a lot to deploy the solution on the cloud. So in the what I can say in a faster manner, in the easiest way and rapidly deployment.
Okay.
So that's the thing.
Okay. And
So AI is must basically. So see, AI is one now a part of your life.
okay.
Simple is your friend. So you have to adopt it AI in any way.
Okay, understand. So, sir, as you are a cloud architecture, so what are the roles and responsibility for architecture? Roles and responsibility क्या रहती है एक cloud architecture की?
So basically, first of all, you have to understand the what is your current IT landscape. Okay, for example, you want to migrate. There are two things: the greenfield deployment and you can say brownfield deployment. So greenfield means from the scratch, new requirement. Okay,
Okay.
and brownfield means existing system or product. You have to changes. You have to make a changes. Okay, so architecture means you should know the architecture pattern. Okay, like if you think like event-driven architecture, if you think about, then there are 4 C models architecture, right? So like the system context diagram, then container diagram, okay. Then there are other two code. Code means like classes basically, classes, or you can say methods, okay, relationships, okay, modules. That you should know that, okay.
Okay.
Then component diagram, okay, which components are interlinked with each other, okay. So then 12-factor application architecture. So these are multiple architecture design patterns are there. So you should know that, okay. So using the C4 model, it will be easy. Programming, what we can say, agnostic means any language you can include that, Java, Python, Node.js or anything, right? So that I can .NET, so that it is easy to understand also, and it will be easy to design the architecture. So that is one of the key factor we should know. And definitely as a cloud architecture, the fundamental is again universal, like you can say Linux, Windows, okay, then networking, then storage, then database, okay, security. So you should know, like in the cloud, I am identity access management. That is one of the security part, okay. That you should know that. So fundamentally universal in any cloud, be it AWS, be it Azure, or be it GCP. So this is fundamental, is universal in across all the clouds. So you should know it. So these are the basic things you should know it. So that then you can on top of that you can go for the automation, like you can include DevOps, CI/CD pipeline. Okay, you can do the now you can deploy the infrastructure in the cloud through the Terraform
Okay.
as the infrastructure as code. Okay, that you can leverage it. So I means you can save the time and easily you can learn it. Terraform also. So you can build the CI/CD pipeline from the scratch. Okay, then you can store the artifacts in the artifact repository. Okay, so these are the what we can say DevOps related stuff that you can leverage it this way in the cloud.
Okay.
So yeah, so on top of that, cloud is basically as a cloud engineer now automation is very important. So as I said, Terraform and DevOps you should know. Python's somewhere for the automation to the task in the operation cloud operations, right? That you can leverage it. So this way you can leverage the overall cloud architecture journey, okay, or cloud engineer also. So that is the thing. So cloud architecture and cloud engineering different. Architecture means you should know the entire system architecture, okay. And engineer means operation engineer, okay. Means if architect assign the task, so you have to implement the task,
Okay.
okay, in the cloud. For example, you spin up the one EC2 instance or VM, virtual machine in the cloud. So that cloud engineer will do that. So either manual or through the Terraform, using infrastructure code.
Okay.
That you can provision that.
Okay.
So that is it.
What are the most you have used the cloud, like Azure, AWS, or a Google Cloud?
I work on the AWS.
Okay.
In my previous organization, I work on the both AWS and Azure.
Okay.
Because AWS accounts have been integrated with the Azure, AD. So that by using Azure, okay.
Okay.
So some in my previous project also I use the Azure platform to put in some VMs that is manual in the manual way, okay. That thing. And Google in my previous organization I use the Google.
Okay.
And some part of that again it's the same provisioning VM, okay. Then you can say creation of users, roles, groups in the Google Cloud Platform. So this way.
Okay.
So, but again, as at the end of the day, fundamental is the same. Okay.
Yes.
Storage, server, database, and we can say networking and security. You should know it.
Okay.
So that is the thing.
सर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ना जो नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं ना, जो BCom से है, दे वांट टू इवन एंटर इन द IT इंडस्ट्री. सो हाउ शुड दे प्रिपेयर फॉर द IT? विच काइंड ऑफ रोल्स अवेलेबल फॉर देम? सो हाउ शुड दे प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस IT रोल्स?
So yeah, as I said, which again for the freshers or existing working professionals who are in the non-IT, okay, depends on their interest. See, maybe you are for example, you are non-techie guy, or you are interested in the AI/ML, so you can go for the AI/ML. But for that you should have good fundamental knowledge of the programming language, then statistics, okay, mathematics. So that is thing. So again, each person's having their own interest, right?
Yes.
So that is there.
Yes.
So suppose any person want to go for the cloud, if they are more interested in the architecture, so they can go for the cloud, any cloud, that is fine, okay. And if fresher maybe want to go for the automation, so that freshers can go for the DevOps, okay. But differently on top DevOps we work on top of the cloud, okay.
Okay.
So cloud is fundamental for that. So you should know the cloud technologies for that, along with the DevOps. So that is the thing, okay. So for that, as I said, you should be transferable skill sets, okay. So what do you mean by transferable skill sets? Okay, so that you first gain like we have a basic certification, fundamental certification in the cloud, AWS cloud, certified practitioner. Okay, that is fundamental foundational training or certification there to get the picture, overall picture of the AWS cloud. If you want to know for the Azure 900, okay, that is called certified fundamental. If you want to go for the Azure, cloud platform,
Yes.
so you can go for that. You can start with that.
Okay.
So that once you know these fundamental things, then automatically you will come into this advanced skill set in the respective cloud domain.
Okay.
So that is the way. So that for that again, as I said, you have to learn, you have to do the trainings, you have to do the certifications basically, and also hands-on labs. That is very very important. So
Okay.
सिर्फ पढ़ाई किया then अरे हो गया अभी चलो नहीं. So you have to do hands-on labs. There are a lot of projects are there on the AWS skill builders, or maybe in the Udemy, right? On the we can say other training platforms, right? So these labs is there, okay? So वहाँ पे for the you can go for it and you can explore the technologies.
Okay.
So and you will get the idea. Once you get the idea, then it is easy to. That is basic, okay, means fundamental. On top of the what, in which niche skills you want to enter. Like maybe one is FinOps, that is one of the different domain altogether. Okay, which will control your cost in the cloud.
Okay.
Be it any cloud. Okay, AWS, Azure, GCP.
Okay.
So there are like FinOps domains, okay, FinOps life cycle is there. You can specialize in that domain. Okay, so but you should know the technical part. Okay, so technology. You can, means if only FinOps कोई मतलब नहीं. So you should know the cloud also.
Okay.
So that which cloud resources are spending more money. So how we can reduce the cost.
Okay.
Okay, by using AWS FinOps framework. Okay, that is important. Then if you are interested in security, like risk assessment, right? Then vulnerability assessment. If you want to go for you can go for the cloud security. So that is also one of the separate specialization. If you are interested in the networking part, so you can be a networking architect, cloud networking architect. So there are special certifications, specialization is there.
Okay.
AWS certified networking specialist specialty. So that certification is there. So if you have to go for that. Okay.
Okay.
So in each domain we have certifications. Okay. So now modern platform engineering. Okay. Like not only just infrastructure, but along with that some development work also is there. Okay. That platform engineering means include all the components in the one umbrella. Okay, like it could be multi-cloud, it could be FinOps, it could be software development, it could be testing, okay, anything, but it comes under modern platform engineering.
Okay.
So these are the different technologies or domains comes under the same roof.
Okay. And
So this way you can leverage the skill set and you can enter it. So that is the way.
okay.
So that is what I said. Like I was into tech,
Yes.
technical capability. Like I was a software developer, right? I work on the Lotus and Domino platform as a developer. Lotus and developer. Then I moved into the non-technical, like service management, IT service management, which is again non-technical. Okay, like change management, problem management, incident management, right?
Yes.
So process governance, right? Then again I entered into technical in the cloud. Okay, so क्या बोलते चार्ज चाहिए बस. You should learn. You should willing to learn. That is very important. That should be your mindset.
Okay.
Be it any technology, I will cope with the new technologies. That learning attitude, that learning adaptability should be there. So वो mindset होना चाहिए. So you will survive in the IT industry.
Okay.
So that's the thing.
Okay, thank you so much for this wonderful session, sir. आपने काफ़ी सारे डाउट जो फ्रेशर्स के दिमाग में है, जो ऑलरेडी वर्किंग इंडस्ट्री में है उनके दिमाग में है, जो नॉन टेक से टेक में आना चाहते हैं उनके लिए काफ़ी डाउट्स आपने सॉल्व किए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड होप विल डू वन मोर सेशन अगेन with more questions, with more energy. Thank you so much.
Thank you
So much, sir.
Thank you.